Okay, so guys, if you look on my screen right now, this is what triggered this video. On Facebook, shout out to Vera. Okay, so I saw a post Vera shared, and she was calling out this particular person, how much they pay writers. Look at, say, content creator urgently needed 4,000. This is not $4K, this is 4,000 naira per month just for a start though, and at least 3 articles per day, 10 per week, and 35 to 40 articles per month just for this price. I mean, this is ridiculous. Okay, so I won't want you to be in this situation. I want you to charge what you are worth, to be paid for the amount of work you put in. I need you to be paid well, and this is the reason why I'm doing this video, because in this video I'll reveal to you website that pays writers so much and what they are worth, and where you can really meet your clients and apply for writing jobs that are well paid. Okay, so before we get started, please, I want you to do one thing. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go over here, subscribe, like, leave a comment. If you have any question whatsoever concerning this video, please, I would like you to leave in the comment section. Let me know what you think, and subscribe, like, and share. Okay, it will help rank this video more, and YouTube will show it to more persons that needs to see it. So let's get started. Number one, the first website that pays writers really well is Fiverr. Okay, you must have heard me talk about Fiverr almost every time in my videos. Almost every time you see me talking about Fiverr. I mean, this is just, I just searched one keyword. This is one part of writing website content. Okay, and you see over here, you see that this particular website pays, people charge, not even there they pay, they charge as much as $40, $80, $100, $400, 65, 125, 70, 125. And let me just open up to one of them. Okay, let me open up to one of these. This is a seller, mind you, this is a writer, and this is what she charged. So I want to see what this seller charge. Okay, so this seller charges $10 for 100 words, which is very nice. This is 400 words. Okay, and this person will deliver in 5 days. But look at this, you deliver at least 3 articles per day. I mean, that is ridiculous. So please look at this. Okay, so you see these websites, the first one that you appreciate your expertise, your work, is Fiverr. All right, so if you're a writer, you're watching this, go over on Fiverr. I have so many tutorials on how to sign up on Fiverr, how to do so many things, how to set up your account on Fiverr and start selling. Please go watch all my videos. I have so many videos on my channel, so follow it up. Okay, and this particular, so if you're looking for where to start with website content. Website content has low competition. Like, there is no more, although you have 10,000 and 340 services available, but it is very little compared to when you go to other forms of writing, where you have over 59,000. So there is so much competition here. So if you want to start with website content, start with target this keyword, website content. It is a gig that is very, very high in demand and low in competition. Okay, so that is number one website that pays writers what they are worth. Then the second website is ProBlogger. Okay, so if you go to this website, all these websites, I'll leave their links in the description, so you check it out. So this website, ProBlogger.com. Okay, you go on this tab, jobs. This website lists jobs, writing jobs. Companies that are looking for writers, blogs, top blogs that are looking for writers. Okay, and they pay really well. If you see here, you see the last update is, okay, this is how many pages. Okay, I'm on the 3rd page. Okay, if I click on the first page right now, you see that the last updated was just 3 days ago. Do you guys see it? So it's August 13th. You see, 3 days ago, that's when it was updated. Do you guys see it? So what this website do is, people that are looking for writers, they pay $75 to get their services listed, their job posting listed here. Okay, so to tell you that these guys are serious, for someone to pay $75 just to have their jobs posted there, is not, they're not playing. So for them to it lists their jobs here. That means they are very serious. So if you're a writer, you come over here and check for jobs that will fit you. Okay, you can search with keywords, or you can search with location if you are if you want to freelance from anywhere or something. For contracts, jobs, for freelance, for full-time, part-time, you can just filter the result. But if you once you don't want to search jobs using this, you can open up, like this one said, photographer, blogger, US, work from home. So they need US citizens. No, so if you're not from US, you can skip this. Then you have this one, contract. Then you have this one, London, you can freelance from anywhere. This one is from Singapore, you can work from anywhere. Okay, so if you open up some of them, you read details of the job. Okay, so you see in this description, if you love home decor, interior design, this is for you. Okay, so more like job description, what they need from you. They said articles are generally between 800 to 2000 words. Okay, and fast payment, they pay via PayPal and Payoneer, which is super amazing. All right, so you have how to apply. It will show you how to apply. If you click on this button, if you have read all this and you qualify for this job, you can click on apply, and it will lead you direct to the page, okay, where you apply. Okay, it leads you direct to where you apply. You put your mail, so you are applying directly to the company that posted these jobs. I mean, serious companies. So you put your name, put your email. What's your favorite interior design style? Okay, then articles you have written, you post the link here. Okay, what is your rate? So they're asking you how much you are charging, okay, per word. So it depends on or per hour. Okay, it depends on how much you charge, then, or per article. You say maybe 500 words, I charge let's say 40 or 30. Okay, depending on what you are worth and what your skill is worth. Okay, and you submit. So I think this website is one of the best I've seen so far, this Pro Blogger. So if you're a writer, don't allow them to use you to do this kind of jobs. Please go over to this website and apply for jobs. It's free, totally free. Apply, and definitely if you do the right thing, the companies will reach out to you. So the next website I want to show you is it's just similar to this website also, allfreelancewriting.com, then freelancing writing jobs. Okay, just like Pro Blogger, which I just showed you. Okay, you find so many listings, okay, and the rates. Okay, you find so many listings of jobs. Okay, so you can apply it to them as well. It's just the same thing. It just looks similar to Pro Blogger, which I just showed you. Okay, so read the instructions, go here, read through the jobs. If there's anyone you can do or offer, you jump on it. Then the next one is bloggingpro.com, then /jobs. It's still the same thing, with looks similar to what's it called, Pro Blogger. It's just a blogging board platform for writers. Okay, so they post jobs, for both content writer for an app development. They post jobs. You can always go through, read details of the jobs that are posted there. If it's something you can do, okay, you apply directly. Okay, you apply for the job. All right. Then the last but not the least is one of the websites that you guys know out there. Is very popular. It's called Upwork. Okay, Upwork. And if you see here, it's just similar to Fiverr. I mean, it's Fiverr's competitors, biggest competitors. Okay, and over here you see that these guys charge well for their services. Okay, 40, 50, 25, 40, 30, 55, and so on and so forth. So this is a website. If you're a writer, not just a writer, if you have any skill that you want to sell online, this has a big customer base, to get you started. This is not an Upwork tutorial. If you need Upwork tutorial how to sell your services on Upwork, go on YouTube and watch some videos about that. All right, so I think I've done justice to this. I've showed you all the website that you need to know to look out for to land writing gigs. So the ball is now in your court to pick it up and start applying for jobs. All right, if you have a comment, if you have any question in the comment section, let me know. I will respond to that. So this is Tony saying goodbye for now. Subscribe if you haven't done that, and like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.